There's something special about the transition from summer to fall. The sunsets come sooner, the temperature starts to cool, and the scenery begins to change. But that doesn't mean it's time to say goodbye to the water. In fact, fall can be one of the best times to enjoy a lakeside getaway. So this season, we're following the water to a few destinations you can explore, all while using your Palmera Vacation Club membership. Let's get started. When searching for your next getaway through the RCI exchange, you can use the vacation type filter to help narrow down destinations based on the type of vacation you have in mind. For a lakeside escape, try searching for destinations with a lake vacation type. A popular lakeside escape that has plenty of resorts to choose from on RCI is Branson, Missouri. Located in the Ozark Mountains, Branson is known for its live entertainment and family-friendly attractions, but Table Rock Lake and other nearby waterways are also worth exploring. Spend your time boating, fishing, kayaking, or taking in the scenery. Continue to use RCI's helpful search filters to find the perfect accommodations for your group. Like a resort but can't find the right dates? Save the resort as one of your favorites for later. And if Branson sounds like your kind of getaway, be sure to check out the Branson Destination Highlight on the Palmera Go page for even more ideas for your trip. Through Quest Travel Club, you can search for accommodations, transportation, activities, and more to help you plan your next getaway. And one destination that you should put on your fall travel list is Lake Placid, New York. Located in the heart of the Adirondacks, Lake Placid is surrounded by beautiful mountain landscapes and, of course, beautiful lakes. Summer activities like paddling, boating, hiking, and more can still be enjoyed as the seasons change. Find hotels and resorts with savings year-round, as well as booking transportation through Quest Travel Club. Because you'll want to explore the beautiful region, having access to a car is highly recommended. Quest also makes finding a rental car easy and at great prices. Branson and Lake Placid are just two of the destinations you can explore with Palmera Vacation Club. If you're looking for more inspiration, take a look at our destination highlight page. These travel guides are designed to help you discover new places and make planning your next trip a little easier. Of course, there's more than one way to enjoy a getaway by the water. And when you're ready to trade mountain lakes and freshwater adventures for ocean breezes, you can always come back to your home away from home on Hilton Head Island. The fall weather is perfect for getting outside, and the island is full of things to see and do and has plenty of festivals and events to attend. And with Palmera's 6 ways to travel, you have multiple options for planning your next stay on Hilton Head Island. Use your points and book your stay through the Palmera Resorts option. Here you can choose from any of the 4 Gold Crown Palmera resorts throughout the island. If you're looking for an additional getaway to Hilton Head, find a VIP week for an extra discounted members-only price. There are plenty of ways that your Palmera Vacation Club membership can make your next island escape a reality. Do you have friends or family who love Hilton Head Island as much as you do? Through the Palmera Owner Referral Program, you can refer someone who's interested in becoming a Palmera Vacation Club owner and receive a special thank you for your referral. Visit the Palmera Owner Referral page on the Hilton Head Guest Services website to learn more about how it all works. Follow the water, explore somewhere new, and discover where your Palmera membership can take you next. Safe travels!